The United States has asked its citizens to lay down their hands because of the planned protests in Kinshasa. The Embassy of the United States of America in the Democratic Republic of the Congo has prepared for the people of this country living in the Congo that on February the 16th, 2025, a protest is planned, which can cause a lot of damage, asking them to lay down their hands. It is a warning issued by the U.S. Embassy in the DRC on February the 14th, 2025, through its website. The embassy announced that the demonstrations will target churches, and churches in the capital Kinshasa and other cities, indicating that the demonstrations will be strong, and those involved may do a lot of damage. In a statement, the embassy continues, the embassy advises the citizens of the United States of America to be careful and limit their travel. He reminded his people that if anyone needs help, they should call the person who is interested in the interests of the United States, and they will be helped, but they should also look for other ways to help them than just relying on the embassy. He asked his people to take care of their safety, and make sure they have enough food and water to use during the protests. Others include having basic essentials such as clothes, medicine, travel documents, and keeping them in bags that they can easily carry, avoiding going to other places, avoiding going to protests, tracking information and other things that help them protect their lives.
On January 28, 2025 in Kinshasa, the Congolese also staged a protest, recording acts of looting and crime. Residents were seen destroying cars, looting equipment from the embassies of different countries, other parts of the building were set on fire, things were highly criticized. These activities have also featured the soldiers of this country, which were mainly attracted by the demonstrations called by the government of the RDC, in protest against the capture of the city of Goma. This demonstration is going to take place while the coalition of the RDC forces is being restored because on February 14, 2025, M23 announced that it has captured Kavuma City, the center of Kabamba and Katana in South Kivu, and the eyes are on Bukavu City.
Yego ni mutabaruka iyo mu makuru y'icyongereza, amakuru y'icyongereza iyo mwumvaga mwayagezwagaho n'abanyamerika Alfie na Crust babagezagaho amakuru y'icyongereza kuri uyu munsi wa none. Mu by'ukuri twibereye kuri Ivan Official. Niba aribwo bwa mbere wakingura ino channel, kora subscribe ukande kunzogera kugira ngo ujye ubona n'ibindi biganiro dutambutsa ku rubuga rwacu rwa Ivan Official. Mbaye mbashimiye mwebwe mwarangije gukora subscribe, muri abantu b'ingenzi kandi muri ab'agaciro. Ni amakuru mpuzamahanga nk'uko nababwiye. Amakuru mpuzamahanga bisobanurwa ngo amakuru yo hirya no hino mu ndimi zitandukanye. Twumvise amakuru mu cyongereza nk'uko nari mbabwiye, twari twabazaniye abanyamerika babiri Alfie and Crust, nibo babagezagaho amakuru mu cyongereza. Reka twongere dusesengure nk'ibisanzwe ibyo batubwiraga mu cyongereza kugira ngo n'abantu bumve ikinyarwanda cyangwa se urufumbira bagire icyo biyumvira. Nguhaye ikaze. Nuko rero reka dutangire. Aba banyacyongereza bavugaga ibiki? Ese ni ibiki batubwiraga? Abanyacyongereza Alfie yatangiye avuga ati Amerika yasabye abaturage bayo kuryamira amajanja kubera imyigaragambyo iri gutegurwa i Kinshasa. Yakomeje avuga ati Embassy ya Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika muri Repubulika Iharanira Demokarasi ya Kongo yateguje abaturage b'iki gihugu baba mu Kongo nta kundi ngo yabateguje iminsi 16, yabateguje iminsi 16. Mu by'ukuri yabateguje iminsi 16 ibabwira yuko hagomba kuba imyigaragambyo. Iminsi 16 turavuga ngo n'uyu munsi, iminsi 16 y'ugu mwaka ngo hateganyirijwe imyigaragambyo ngo ishobora kwangiza byinshi, ngo leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika, embassy ya Amerika ngibasaba kuryamira ikintu bita amajanja. Mbibutse neza yuko aya makuru tuba twayashakiye, tuba twifashishije igihe.com. Iki kinyamakuru nico candika amakuru y'ingenzi, natwe rero tukayasesengura tuyakora audio cyangwa se tuyababwira mu zindi ndimi mpuzamahanga. Mu itangazo iyi embassy irakomeza igira iti, embassy iragira inama abaturage ba leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika ko bagomba kwitonda ndetse bakagabanya ingendo bakora. Yibukije abaturage bayo ko mu gihe haba hari ukeneye ubufasha agomba guhamagara iharanire ry'inyungu za Amerika bakagufasha, ariko nabo bagashaka ubundi buryo bwabafasha butari ukwishingikiriza kuri embassy gusa. Yasabye abaturage bayo kwita ku mutekano wabo ngo bakamenya ko bafite ibyo kurya bihagije, harimo n'amazi bazakoresha mu gihe imyigaragambyo ishobora kumara igihe kirekire. Ibindi birimo ko bagomba kuba ngo biteguriye ibintu by'ingenzi by'ibanze, bakitegura ikintu bita imyenda, imiti, inzandiko z'inzira, ibyo twita pasiporo zabo, kwirinda kujya muri izo myigaragambyo, bakakurikirana ikintu bita amakuru ndetse n'ibindi bibafasha kurinda ngo ubuzima bwabo. Ku minsi 28 y'ukwezi kwa mbere 2025 ikinshasha nabwo ngo abanyekongo ngo bakoze imyigaragambyo, ngo bajandika mu bikorwa byo gukora ibintu bitabaye byiza, byo gusahura ibintu by'abandi n'ubugizi bwa nabi. Ngo abaturage kuri uwo munsi bagaragaye bangiza amamodoka ngo basahura ibikoresho byari muri za ambasade z'ibihugu bitandukanye, ngo ndetse n'ibindi bice by'inyubako barabitwika. Ngibi byanenzwe cyane. Ngibi bikorwa ngo byagiye binagaragaramo abasirikare b'igihugu, byakuruwe ahanini n'abasirikare b'igihugu n'imyigaragambyo yahamagajwe na leta ya Democratic Republic of Congo mu kwamagana ifatwa ry'umujyi wa Goma. Reka tubibutse nanone umujyi wa Goma yuko uri mu biganza bya M23. Ngiyi myigaragambyo igiye kuba mu gihe ihuriro ry'ingabo za RDC, Democratic Republic of Congo, zisumbirijwe kuko ku minsi 14 y'ukwezi kwa kabiri aribwo M23 yatangaje ko yafashe umujyi wa Kavuma n'agasenta ka Kabamba na Katana, nabyo biri muri Kivu y'Amajyepfo, ndetse ngo amaso akaba ahanzwe ku mujyi wa Bukavu. Ngo bafite inshingano yo gufata umujyi wa Bukavu. Abanyacungereza n'ayo makuru batugezagaho. Reka ngo hamagarire gukora subscribe kandi kunzogera kugira ngo ujye wiyumvira amakuru nkaya. Niko bimeze akanduko, kandi turumva yuko muri Congo very hard, ibintu ntabwo byoroshe mu by'ukuri. Tubonane ubutaha.